Hi friends, whenever there is any reopening of assessments under the income tax, there is a mandatory to provide the complete regions to the income taxpayer so that they can challenge before the challenge to these proceedings. So in the absence of the complete regions as needed to be provided to the income tax payer, it becomes unless until not provided, it becomes unsustainable and invalid. The recent income tax appellate tribunal Mumbai bench has quashed the reassessment orders as the discrepancies in the regions provided by the assessing official. So it is the case of that Top Class Capital Markets Private Limited versus ITO, and in this case ITAT tribunal has concluded that in the absence of the partial information or partial regions provided or not provided by the assessing officer to the income taxpayer, this is a clear violation of the principles as enumerated by the various Supreme Court judgments and the High Court judgments, and it also violated the principles of the established natural violation of the principles of natural justice. So the ITAT tribunal has referred to the Supreme Court judgment, and in this case, that's GKN Drive Shafts Private Limited versus ITU, and in this case, the Supreme Court held that assessing officer must provide the complete regions to the income taxpayer for opening any reassessment order. So in this case, in the absence of it becomes invalid notice. So it is unsustainable as per the law. Bombay High Court, ITAT Tribunal Mumbai bench has also relied in the Bombay High Court judgment, and in this case, that's a ACIT versus Sod Imam Private Limited, and in this case, as per the Bombay High Court has held that in this situation that any partial information, partial regions to provided by the assessing officer to the income taxpayer, that becomes invalid and that is not sustainable as per the law. So by following these principles, ITAT Tribunal Mumbai bench has relied these and also quashed the reassessment orders due to the discrepancies of the regions provided by the assessing officer, and that's not a matching in the first notice. So whenever there is any reopening of the assessments or reassessments under income tax law, there is a requirement to provide the complete regions to the assessee, otherwise it becomes unsustainable and liable